welcome to a kind of chilly Monday mail call, huh? You gotta love December. So, let's see what we got here. Okay, cardboard. That's always good to see. Get this slice open. Oh, cellophane. Fun. Okay. We'll see if we can actually get this open in the same time. Okay. Run we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we have, hopefully, kind of a mess here, but let's get these open. Okay, we have collector motorcycle plates. So let's get these in order here. A, B, C, and D. Okay, so we got one of the over 9001 batches. So this is B, went A101 to A999 to B101, etc. So we got A plate, a B, a C, and a D. Now, why did I pick up these? What are so special about these? Well, you don't see them very often, but with some of these earlier ones, they're flipped sheets plates. So you can see this one, just bare aluminum. These, they were testing some sort of, I don't know if this was like the 81 base leftovers, or they were trying some reflective sheeting and it didn't work and they flipped them over. You can also tell by the overspray on the blue when they painted these. Unfortunately, nothing too rare. Sometimes with these, you'll get the little sticker box. A really rare version is a debossed 89, and then I'm looking for that one, and I'm also looking for the very rare red border on these. But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.